we have an exterior elevation that I was assigned the task to place this artwork on this wall and have them spaced out evenly. We are gonna utilize a command in AutoCAD called array rect or rectangular array. We can select our object, select the first one right here and press enter. I will have an array. So I have 4 arrays right there, 4 objects. Fix this because I don't need any of these rows. I only need 1 row. Now, the problem is, how do we place this so we get equally space in all sides of our objects? Go to our ribbon and there is a base point option. Click that. What this gives me is the chance to specify a base point. What I'm gonna do is place this on a strategic location. I'm gonna try here on the left corner of my object. I'll click there. If I moved all of these objects to the left, there's no way for me to get the space distance, but here I can have a distance right here from this object to this object, which is 1'6". What I'm gonna do is then use that space by moving all of my array objects from this point all the way to the edge. I want to place my objects equally. In order to have 4 objects, I need to add more objects to my array. One more. I have 5 objects right now, but I could in the end erase this object and just have 4. We still have another problem, which is there's no way for me to reuse this gap or this space. The only way is to reuse this gap right here. I'm gonna apply the same technique. Add 1 more, and I can come here and hover on it where it says column count, total column spaces, or axis angle. I'll pick the total column spacing. When I click that, I can simply place my objects at this location and simply explode my objects and erase the 2 at each size. A huge thanks to our patrons who make these tutorials possible. If you want to download all our AutoCAD blogs, macros, files, then check our community link below.